What's up guys, Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. I got a special unboxing for you guys today. One of my favorite rappers, Sir K-Dot, Kung Fu Kenny, Kendrick Lamar, has another collaboration with Nike with the Element React 55 Kendrick Lamar. So say less of all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. So the Element React series we've seen launched last year in 2018. It was probably, the Element React 87 was probably the most popular shoe of 2018. But with that being said, there was a release of not just the 87, but the Element React 55. And that is a shoe that Kendrick recently collaborated with Nike on that we're gonna take a look at today. So we're gonna unbox these. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I think these are pretty fire. And not just that, I am a Kendrick fan. We have the Element React 55 Kendrick Lamar. So in the lineage of Kendrick shoes, we've seen him with not only Nike, but also Reebok. And this is the latest version with the Element React 55. So you'll see right off the bat with the upper, it's kind of like Two-Face. So it's a split between what I feel like is one of the most balanced rappers that we have out, K-Dot. So we have the black on the inner panel that you'll see right there, which is like a marble type black graphic, and it mirrors the graphic just on the whiter palette on the outer panel. So we have the translucent swoosh right here. We have the stitching that runs throughout the heel of the foot, of course with the Element React and the translucent hit there. We have the white pull tab that you'll see also with the swoosh there on the back. The inner panel does not feature the swoosh, but it has the stitch detailing with what feels like a felt, a suede maybe, to the touch right there. So we get to the midsole. Features a full gray midsole with black speckle throughout. And the outsole right here, the marble graphic that you'll see in the outsole mirrors the inner panel of the shoe that I just showed you. Also with the hits of gray throughout. And of course the Nike React right there in the middle. And can't forget on the upper, the swoosh right there in the toe area. The right foot pretty much mirrors the left. These also come with an additional set of white laces. So I'll give you guys one last look at the Kendrick Lamar Element React 55, but you know this video would not be complete if we don't take a look at a couple of these Cortez. So as I mentioned before, Kendrick has a full line of Cortez that we've seen released with Nike outside of his collaborations with Reebok. So we have a few of them here with the house shoes, which is one of the more popular styles from Kendrick and the Cortez collaborations, and also the Damn Kung Fu Kenny pair. There's another pair that reads Damn that's white and red, and then there's the full red and white pair along with the black, and of course the gray, white, and orange, and now we have the Element React 55. So with all that being said, please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite Kendrick style, whether it's the Element React 55 or any one of the Cortez. But you know I always have to go in order, so if I have to choose out of these three here, I think I'm going with number one, house shoes right here. I think I'll go with number two because I like the balance on both sides between the Element React 55. So I know you guys are probably wondering, looking at this dope jacket that I got, I'm like, yo, Fresh, where did you get that from? But we did a 4-year anniversary. Yes, it is the 4-year anniversary of Stadium Goods. So we did a 4-year anniversary collection, and this jacket, along with multiple other pieces, are available in the collection. So you'll see it's fully satin here. Got the black and white detailing, and also the chenille patch in the chest, which reads 2019 and Stadium Goods. But we have these along with the full line of Kendrick Lamar shoes available right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. So please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now of course Instagram TV. Please make sure you follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, and make sure to check out Stadium Women also on Instagram. Download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. And if you have any questions or inquiries regarding Kung Fu Kenny, 4-year anniversary, or anything Stadium Goods, please make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco VK, and salute.